Hey, Kevin from Common Room here, and today I'm excited to share some of our new prospecting features, which will allow you to find prospects based on any account level signal available in Common Room and do it all in an automated fashion. And so to show that off, I'm going to actually hop over to our workflows feature and I'll create a new workflow. And this will automatically find prospects for us. So I'm going to say create from scratch. And then I'm going to use a signal of when an anonymous visitor from an organization visits your website. So we don't know who the user is, but we will know their account. So I'm going to click continue here. And then maybe we can zoom in a little bit on this. Yeah, there we go. And so let's name this and just say prospects, prospected leads from orgs with 100 plus employees who visited pricing page. Good. Save. Okay, so now what we need to do is just apply some filters here. So what I'm going to do is click add filter, and I'm going to say URL visited. And this can be any URL that you're tracking, but pricing page is a pretty go-to place. I'm going to select pricing here. And the other thing I want to do is add a filter for some qualification of the size of account. So I'm going to say organization size here is at least 100 employees. And you could also apply other criteria here, like their industry and other things like that. I'm just going to leave it as organization size for right now. And then the last step we want to do is start to prospect leads or find prospects from this account that match this criteria. So I'm going to select to add a new step to my workflow, and then I'm going to say choose this one here, add context to an organization via Prospector. This is our new prospecting feature. I'm going to select that and click add step. Now, as you can see, it automatically predefines the filters for prospects that we'd want to add. So it's anyone with a sales, marketing, or growth title here, or also have a title of director level or plus. If I wanted to refine this even more, I can click into any of these things and add or remove some of the titles here. Additionally, I can say add filter here and say, we also want to find people who have a pretty engaged LinkedIn following for whatever reason. So I can say, LinkedIn followers, or, if they change jobs in the last however many days, we can do that too. I'm going to say at least 5,000 followers here. And then the last thing we can do before prospecting is actually select how many prospects we want to find. I think five is a good level here. And then let's add them to a new segment or new list that our team can prospect out of. So I'm going to select a segment here, prospects, or create a new segment here from web visits with 100 plus org. Whoop. Cool. And then once I do that and turn this workflow on by clicking save, anyone who qualifies for this criteria will be automatically, we'll find prospects from accounts who hit our pricing page that qualify, that match this criteria. I'm just going to click save changes here, and I'll then now hop over to another workflow to show you how to automate outbound from here. All right, so now I'm back over in the segment that I just created, which is prospects identified from any organization that has visited our pricing page. And from here, I can say, let's select any of these people, and I can add them to an outreach sequence, and I can select, let's add them to a pricing page view sequence and select whatever inbox. So this is kind of like a last mile human review type of step, pretty powerful. But what is even more powerful than that is just automating this whole process that I just showed. So to do that, we can hop over to workflows. I can select create a new workflow, and we'll select add to outreach sequence this time. I'll click create. And then let me just zoom in a little bit here so it's easier to see. And then this workflow will run daily. And the only thing I need to do here is add a filter to include context in that segment that I just created that I was just on in the previous screen. So I'm going to select that, and any status works here. If I wanted to refine this even further, I can say, add a filter for something like only include people who are economic buyers within this prospect list. And then the last step here is to automate the sequence is to just select the same sequence that I selected before. Pricing page views, I will send it from my inbox. And then all I need to do is click save, turn this on, and then click save changes. And then anyone who qualifies for that criteria, who's prospected and it's added to that segment, they'll be automatically sent an email. So pretty powerful stuff, going from everything from identifying an account level signal to prospecting into that account to sending an automated outbound message and doing it all on autopilot. So I hope that's helpful, and thanks for watching.